Today, I am reviewing the WiiM Pro Plus AirPlay 2 receiver. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been integrating the WiiM Pro Plus into my home audio setup for several weeks now, and I can say without any hesitation that this is the most significant upgrade I have ever made to my traditional stereo system. For years, audiophiles have been looking for a way to bridge the gap between vintage, high-fidelity equipment and the modern world of streaming without spending thousands of dollars on high-end network players. The WiiM Pro Plus doesn't just fill that gap, it completely obliterates it by offering a feature set and audio quality that punches way above its weight class. The standout feature of this specific model is the premium AKM digital to analog converter. Many people wonder if the Pro Plus is worth the jump over the standard model, and the answer lies in that DAC. When using the analog outputs into my integrated amplifier, the soundstage is remarkably wide, and the detail retrieval is crisp without being clinical. It breathes new life into high-resolution tracks, especially when streaming 24-bit, 192 kHz audio from services like Qobuz or Amazon Music Ultra HD. The bit-perfect output ensures that the signal remains untouched by the operating system of your phone or the streamer itself, providing a pure listening experience that usually requires much more expensive hardware. The connectivity options are incredibly versatile. Having both AirPlay 2 and Google Cast built in means that every person in my household can stream their preferred content regardless of whether they use an iPhone or an Android device. I was particularly impressed with the Google Cast implementation, which allows for high-res streaming from hundreds of apps. Setting up Multiroom audio was a breeze. I have been able to group the WiiM with my other smart speakers across different rooms, and the synchronization is perfect. There is no echo or delay between rooms, which is often a headache with cheaper streaming pucks. One of the best things about the user experience is the ability to stream directly from the music apps themselves using Spotify Connect and Tidal Connect. This is a massive advantage over standard Bluetooth. When I use Tidal Connect, the WiiM takes over the heavy lifting of the stream, pulling the data directly from the internet rather than through my phone. This not only results in superior audio quality, but it also means my phone isn't drained of battery, and I can take a phone call or watch a video without the music being interrupted. For Tidal users, having the MQA core decoder is a fantastic addition for those high-quality master tracks. The included voice remote is much more useful than I anticipated. Being able to skip tracks or adjust volume without reaching for my phone is a luxury I didn't know I needed. The preset buttons are another thoughtful touch. I have mapped my favorite radio stations and playlists to these presets, so I can have music playing within seconds of walking into the room without even looking at a screen. The compatibility with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant means it integrates perfectly into whatever smart home ecosystem you already have. I also want to mention the gapless playback. For anyone who listens to live albums or classical music, there is nothing more frustrating than a tiny pause between tracks. The WiiM Pro Plus handles these transitions seamlessly, maintaining the flow of the music exactly as the artist intended. It is these small technical details that show the engineers were actually thinking about the listener's experience. It is important to remember that this is an AirPlay receiver, not a transmitter. You cannot use it to send audio from a turntable to your Apple HomePods, but as a gateway to bring high-res streaming into a high-quality wired speaker system. It is flawless. The setup through the WiiM Home app was fast, and the firmware updates have been frequent and stable, consistently adding new features. In a market where high-end audio often feels overpriced and complicated, the WiiM Pro Plus is a breath of fresh air. It is a reliable, high-performance, and incredibly smart device that makes high-fidelity audio accessible to everyone. If you want to keep your beloved analog speakers but want the convenience of 2026 streaming technology, this is the absolute best way to do it.